Hello everyone. Welcome to IAS. Let's discuss today's prelims topics. Question 1. Consider the following statements about Betelgeuse. 1. Betelgeuse is a constant star, meaning its brightness does not fluctuate. 2. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant star and one of the largest visible to the naked eye. 3. It is usually the 10th brightest star in the night sky and, after Rigel, the second brightest in the constellation of Orion. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. The answer is B. Betelgeuse is a variable star, meaning its brightness fluctuates. It is the brightest among such stars and is known for its pulsations. While most stars remain stable, Betelgeuse occasionally experiences extreme brightening. Question to consider the following statements about the Sagar Samriddhi system recently launched. 1. This will aid daily and monthly progress visualization, monitor dredger performance and downtime monitoring, and keep track of location data. 2. National Informatics Center, NIC, has developed a monitoring system to improve the draft and loading monitor DLM system. 3. Currently only Mumbai ports have adopted Sagar Samriddhi and New Mangalore Port and Deendayal Port are running the system on a trial basis. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. The answer is A. The National Technology Center for Ports, Waterways and Coasts, NTCPWC, the technological arm of the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, MoPSW, has developed the monitoring system to improve the draft and loading monitor DLM system. Currently, Cochin and Mumbai ports have adopted Sagar Samriddhi and New Mangalore Port and Deendayal Port are running the system on a trial basis. Question 3. With reference to primary agricultural credit societies, PACs, consider the following statements. 1. PACs are village-level cooperative credit societies that serve as the last link in a three-tier cooperative credit structure headed by the state cooperative banks, SCB, at the state level. 2. Since these are cooperative bodies, individual farmers are members of the PACs and office bearers are elected from within them. 3. PACs are involved in long-term lending. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. The answer is B. PACs are involved in short-term lending or what is known as crop loans. Credit from the SCBs is transferred to the District Central Cooperative Banks or DCCBs that operate at the district level. The DCCBs work with PACs, which deals directly with farmers. A village can have multiple PACs. PACs are involved in short-term lending or what is known as crop loans. At the start of the cropping cycle, farmers avail credit to finance their requirement of seeds, fertilizers, etc. Banks extend this credit at 7% interest, of which 3% is subsidized by the center and 2% by the state government. Effectively, farmers avail the crop loans at 2% interest only. Question 4. The Indian Army had recently said it has sealed a deal with a Bangalore-based company to procure the indigenously developed tactical land radio. Consider the following statements about tactical land radio. 1. It is a state-of-the-art high-bandwidth backhaul wireless radio equipment for the provisioning of reliable communication. 2. It is the first contract that the Army has firmed up under the Framework of Innovations for Defense Excellence, IDX. 3. The system incorporates enhanced safety features and can operate continuously for a month on a single-set basis without any breakdown. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. The answer is A. The system incorporates enhanced safety features and can operate continuously for 48 hours on a single-sit basis without any breakdown. It is the second contract that the Army has formed up under the framework of Innovations for Defense Excellence, IDX. The IDX was launched by Prime Minister in April 2018. It aims to create an ecosystem to foster innovations and encourage technological development in the defense and aerospace sector. Question 5. With reference to Gulabi Meenakari handicrafts, consider the following statements. 1. Gulabi Meenakari of Agra, a different or rare craft in India. 2. In this craft, craftspeople color the surface of clothes by fusing different colors. 3. This art was introduced in India by Arabs during the 12th century. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. The answer is D. Gulabi Meenakari of Banaras is a different or rare craft in India. In this craft, craftspeople color the surface of metals by fusing different colors. This art was introduced in India by the Mughals during the 17th century. Meenakari is a unique art. Initially, the Meenakari was done on gold, but later on, it moved to other metals. Meenakari has various kinds that depend on whether the enamel is opaque, transparent, or translucent. Mughals introduced this rare art in India. Meenakari belongs to a particular caste of Kshatriyas known as Meenakari. Nowadays, it's not just limited to traditional jewelry, it expands to different products like bowls, keychains, decorative items, etc. This craft got its GI tag in the year 2015. Question 6. Consider the following statements about respiratory syncytial virus, RSV. 1. This is a common, contagious virus that causes infections of the respiratory tract. 2. It is a positive sense, double-stranded RNA virus. 3. Its name is derived from the large cells known as syncytia that form when infected cells fuse. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. The answer is B. It is a negative sense, single-stranded RNA virus. RSV is the single most common cause of respiratory hospitalization in infants, and reinfection remains common in later life. It is a notable pathogen in all age groups. Infection rates are typically higher during the cold winter months, causing bronchiolitis in infants, common colds in adults, and more serious respiratory illnesses such as pneumonia in the elderly and immunocompromised. Question 7. Consider the following statements about artificial intelligence, AI. 1. Artificial intelligence is allowing a machine to behave in such a way that it would be called intelligent if a human being behaved in such a way. 2. Today, applications of AI include natural language processing, speech recognition, machine vision, and expert systems. 3. Artificial intelligence was founded as an academic discipline in 1956. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. The answer is C. Question 8. Consider the following statements about transgenic seeds. 1. Transgenic seeds must be tested in open fields before they can hope to be cleared by the Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee, (JAC), for commercial development. 2. Agriculture being a state subject means that, in most cases, companies interested in testing their seeds need approvals from the states for conducting tests. 3. Transgenic cotton is the only GM crop that has been approved and is currently being cultivated in farmers' fields in India. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. The answer is C. Transgenic mustard was approved by the JAC, but additional tests have been prescribed before it is fully approved for widespread cultivation. Thank you, everyone. Do subscribe to this channel. Use code SPLIVE to join Unacademy.